Hello students, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome to our YouTube channel Gyanmanjali Model School. Today, Standard 7, Subject GE, Chapter number 4, Articles. In the previous video, we discussed about the articles and the rules of the is used, and also we discussed about focus A. And now today we learn about focus exercise B. Focus exercise B. John has written an email to his friend Tanmay describing his trip to India. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Put a cross where no article is required. So here in this exercise, John has a written email to his friend Tanmay. For what? Then he described his trip to India. What we do in this exercise, we just do in the suitable article and put a cross where no article is required as it is focus exercise A. But in this exercise, this is a type of email. So here I just write the direct answer. Dear Tanmay, how have you been? How have you been? I have blank exciting piece of news to share with you. So here in this sentence, the spelling exciting and the start with E, and also exciting, yani the answer is an. Our article is an. Piece of news to share with you. We finally went on blank trip to blank India. Then here in this sentence there have a two blanks. So here first of all, first blank, we finally went on a trip to. So here in this second blank is a no articles required. So here put a cross in second blank. Laura and Delhi had also joined us for blank trip. So here in this sentence has a one blank. Laura and Delhi also joined us for the blank trip. So here in this, the answer is the trip. Then fourth one, first we took plane to New Delhi. So here in this sentence as an article, answer is a plane to New Delhi. Once there we took buses and auto rickshaws to travel within the city. Then the next one, India is a blank west country. So here in this sentence article is a. We could only cover blank north this time. So here in this sentence describing a direction. So here north this time. So here the article put over here, right answer is the north this time. Our first stop was of course blank the Taj Mahal. The blank Taj Mahal. So here in this antique or unique item, so here the right answer article is the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. The next one, we blank brochures had come, however, close to describing the actual beauty of blank monuments. So in this sentence there were two blanks. The first one, we start with sentences. Article put over here the brochures had come, however, close to describing the actual beauty of in the blank monument. So the right answer, our article is both have a the. We got blank picture clip in front blank monument. So here in this sentence have also two blanks. We got a picture. Right article is a picture clip in front of monument. Clip in front of the next, we got a picture clip in front of the monument. Afterwards, we want to various forts and learn about the next one. Also have a two blanks. We went to various forts and learn about blank rich history of blank country. Then the both blank where the answer is the rich history of the country. And the next one, it was so hot and sunny that I had to wear blank huge straw hat to cover my head. So here in this sentence have a one blank. So here the word article right answer is A. A huge straw hat to cover my head. I look like a blank typical tourist. So here in this next sentence the article is A typical tourist. Mother is calling me for dinner. I will write to you in detail with more pictures later. I have blank 1,000 stories to tell you. Love to uncle, auntie and little Tanvi, John. So here the last answer, blank 1,000 stories to tell you. So here put over here article 1,000 stories to tell you. Love to uncle, auntie and little Tanvi, John. So here in this writing email, we just complete it. You just write down then one by one describe. student, have you written this? In this exercise, what we do just suitable articles and put over here across where no article is required. So, in this email, we just write the correct article and it is no required for no articles is put over here across. So here let's start the email. Dear Tanmay, how have you been? I have blank exciting piece of news to share with you. So first blank, the answer is article AA. The next, we finally went on a trip to blank India. Then the answer is article and the next answer is no article required. So put over here across. The next one, Laura and Danny has also joined us for blank trip. Then the right article answer is the. Next, first we took blank plane to New Delhi. So the right article answer is A. Once there, we took buses and auto rickshaws to travel within the city. India is blank west country. So here in this the answer is article A. We could only cover blank north this time. So the answer article is the, because we described about the direction. So here the right answer is article the. Next one. Our first stop was of course blank Taj Mahal. Blank Taj Mahal. So this sentence is described to unique and antique piece Taj Mahal. So put over here before the article the. Then blank brooches had come nowhere close to describing the actual beauty of blank monument. So the next have two blanks. The first answer article the and the second answer is also article the monument. We got blank picture clicked in front of blank monument. The first answer article is A and the next answer is article the. We want to various forts and learn about the blank rich history of blank country. Then the both answer is article the and the country's name. So here put over here before the article the. It was so hot and sunny that I had to wear blank huge straw hat to cover my head. Then the answer is article A. I look like blank typical tourist. Then the answer is article A. Mother is calling me for dinner. I will write to you in detail with more pictures later. I have blank 1,000 stories to tell you. Then the answer is article A. Love to uncle, auntie and little Tanvi. John. Here this email is done. Then our exercise is also done. Then the further moving for new exercise, practice A. What did we do or what to be in this exercise? We just do in this exercise, read the following sentences, identify and underline the incorrect of missing articles, write the correct articles in the blanks. Here in this exercise, incorrect or missing articles, write the correct articles in the blanks. So practice it. In first sentence, Manish went to Tara's house. And rang a bell. Tara's mother opened a door and smiled and the blank. So here, student, first of all ask me what is the incorrect articles in this sentence. So here the first incorrect article over here a and also here a. The right article answer is the. Right article is the. Manish went to Tara's house and rang the bell. Tara's mother opened the door and smiled. The right answer article is the. The next sentence, Vijay was here only for day. He is living by a 5 o'clock train. Blank. So here, first of all, student, find out the incorrect article. So put over here the incorrect article is a. Then the right answer article is the, because we describe our particular time. So here Vijay has read only for a day. He is leaving by the 5 o'clock train. The right answer is the. The next sentence, we can see the mid-oceanic mountain range from a space. So here, first of all, find the incorrect article. In this sentence, there is no required to article. So put over here across. The next sentence, Sumita and her band gave excellent performance last evening. So here, first of all, find the incorrect article is a. Then the right answer article is an, because The spelling start with excellent. So here put our right article is an. Fifth one, they got standing ovation from a crowd. Standing ovation from a crowd. And the incorrect article is an. The right article is a. The last one, there is a very good hotel. Very good hotel right next to the mall road. Right next to the mall road. Blank. And the incorrect article is an and the right article is a. First of all, you just write down in your book, then move forward our next exercise. Okay, students, have you written this? Then the exercise we just do incorrect article and the put our right article in the blanks. The first sentence, Manish went to Tara's house and rang a bell. Tara's mother opened a door and smiled. So first of all, find the incorrect article is a. Then the right article is the. Right article is the. Open the door and smile. The next sentence, Vijay was here only for a day. He is leaving by 5 o'clock. So here in this sentence, first of all, find the incorrect article is a and the right article is the. Then put over here, blank over here, the. We can see the map of oceanic mountain range from a space. So here in this sentence there is no required for article. So put over here across. Then the next, Sunita and her band gave an excellent performance last evening. So here find a incorrect article is a and the right answer is article a. They got an standing ovation from a crowd. So here the incorrect article is an. The right answer is a. There is an every good hotel right next to the mall road. So here incorrect article is an. The right answer is a. So further moving for next exercise. The next exercise, extension, filling the blanks with suitable articles. If no article is needed, put a cross in the blank. So same exercise in whole chapter. You just find a correct article and no required for the article, put over here a cross. Extension A. The plug first blank higher U. Higher U. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Blank longer it. Longer it will take to come back. It will take to come back. So in this sentence, look at the sentence and say what is the comprehension in this sentence. So here you can say that this is the comparative degree. So here the put over here the article is the higher you throw the ball, and the next blank answer is the longer it will take to come back. The next blank, leaves. Leaves are green. Leaves are green because of blank chlorophyll. So the right article is the leaves are green because of chlorophyll. So here put over here no article required. So put a cross. Next, always drink milk before going to bed. You need calcium to make. You need calcium to make your bones strong. So in this sentence there is a no required article, so put over here a cross in both blank. Always drink milk before going to bed. You need calcium to make your bones strong. So here in this sentence there is a no required for article, so put over here a cross in both blanks. Fourth one, blank camel is also blank sheep of desert. So here in this exercise there's have a three blank. So the first one, the camel is also the sheep of the desert. Fifth blank, the man was very blank red and black t-shirt. Shirt, black shirt. The fifth blank, the man was wearing black red and black shirt. So first article is a and then no article required. So here put over here a cross. You just write down in your book. So okay student, have you written this? Then write down your homework. You just write the exercise. Write the exercise. Focus B. Practice A. And extension A in your GE book. Okay student, we will meet in our next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye student.